Good morning, everyone. Aradhna Tiwari from Be the Change by Aradhna, and your friend, and I'm an Access Consciousness Certified Facilitator. I'm here to take your question today. How does it get any better than this? Hey Vishal, after long, how are you? What's up? Hey Payal, good morning. How are you? Good morning, Monica, Arpita. Welcome. Hi, Pallavi. Welcome. Good morning. Good morning. What's up, guys? Today is the day of flow of energy. Awesome. Hi, Umesh. Good morning. Flow the energy a person requires for everyone you meet and think about today. Just say energy flow. I know it's that simple. Yeah, I'm fine, Michelle. Thank you for asking. Yeah, I am fine. I'm always fine, no? Irrespective, Aradhna's always fine. But thank you for asking. That's so kind of you. Hello, Minoti Premani. So welcome to the space. I think Minoti, maybe if you were there yesterday, I didn't see you, but thank you for being here. Monica, looking so hot as usual. Monica, you'll see me as ever, right? It's your eyes that make me look hotter and kinder and sweeter. Thanks. Hi, Mishi. Good morning, sweetheart. How are you? So guys, today is the energy of hello Vijaya, good morning. Flow the energy a person requires for everyone you meet and think about. And just you have to say flow energy. It's a beautiful tool because sometimes how I learned it when I started doing my workshops. I'm happy to see you first time. No, Arpita, then you're not been seeing. I've been wearing kurtas a lot. What do you think I wear? Okay, that's a talk for another time. But thank you. So, what else is possible? So, you have distracted me totally, Arpita. But alright. So, it's like the flow of energy is like when you actually meet. Like, I remember when I used to go to my workshops and classes and started attending, and you come home, everybody is bugged about you, and everybody, you end up fighting, you end up being cranky with each other, and everybody starts being cranking around you. And I'm like, what is going on? Because it was like it's so much of energy work that we do, and it's what is energy work? We're not like putting hands, or we're not like doing some meditation. It's about just changing your thought pattern, giving up your point of views. When we give up our point of views, we actually change, and then when we actually go back home, so it's never going back home. That's what we say going forward, because if you're going backwards, you're recreating that in your life. So if you're just moving forward and you come home, and then you because everybody says, because they do not find you there, they don't find you the same, and then they just suddenly feel that you're so changed, because they can't acknowledge it, because you're the same person, but energetically you have shifted so much that they cannot hold on to you. And that's when we need to flow energy. Hi Varsha, good morning. Hello Prakhar, good morning. So that is how you have to be like present with it. If anybody is fighting with you, if anybody requires your attention and you're not being able to actually give them attention, you can actually just say flow energy. And when your work is not done, or somebody you really want somebody's attention, and somebody's seeking your attention, and you really can't go physically, you just have to say flow energy, and it works. Like the other day we did the pull energy. Pull energy is of that palette energy, but this is, hi Simran, good morning. This is like flowing whatever ease and peace somebody requires. And sometimes you're like kind of done with somebody in your life, and you just have to say, as much as that person requires my energy, I flow that to him, because that we are all energetic beings, but we tend to become like humans, and I'll be like Aradhna, Simran will be like Simran, Amishi would be like we think it's Amishi, Simran, or Aradhna, but it's not that. We are actually, even physics says that, quantum entanglements also says that, and quantum physics says that there is a space between the molecules, so we are not like solid. So what if we want to attract someone? Would this work still? Arpita, for that I said pull, and you have to keep saying pull until you meet the person, and then you equalize the energy by saying flow energy, whatever the other person requires. For that, it's like palette. That was the one tool we had, pull. And it's also, pull was also like, if you're walking into the party, if you're going somewhere and you want somebody's attention, keep saying pull. And if you really want to send love, ease, joy, gratitude to anybody, and you want to make up with everybody, it's like kind of, let's have peace with each other, flow energy there. Sarthor, welcome to the space. I don't see your picture, I don't know your name, but welcome to the space. Ritu, good morning. Hello Yogi, good morning sweetheart. Yuki Jeet, right? That's what your name is. Flowing energy is also for, like, people who don't like work, like human resource people, or like government people. They don't want, because they are neutral people, they will not actually act so quickly. So if you want your work done and the work has been held and that person is not really paying attention, you have to just keep saying flow energy, whatever that person requires, just flow. You don't even have to think, and it's like whatever that person requires. Because sometimes what happens is, in life we actually get so caught up with so many people and we really can't be attentive to everybody, but everybody is pulling you, because you like, I sometimes do flow energy to all of you, like whatever you guys required, without me saying a word, everything just reaches you. So that's going flow energy. And if I require your attention, I guys want you guys here, I just think of you guys and I say pull. So I just do that, and then I guys see you on my Insta chat. I'm smart. You know how I love to make my life easy. So I use all these tools and I'm happy to share with them. And it's not about malfunctioning. It's just about being. And as an infinite being, you're always here to be, enjoy, experience, rather than making it so solidified. And this is how it has to be done, that is how it has to be done, and I'm ready to do anything. You have to get out of your doing world and you have to make your life easy peasy. So, like, a beautiful question actually came up in advanced money workbook we were doing, and I had been posting that. I think even Umesha has been posting that in all the groups. It's about who and what would you like to invite into your life today. So ask for those nurturing, caring, amazing energies in your life. And you can, when you meet up with somebody, or when you really have your parents or your family as those nurturing, caring capacities in your house, and put people in your house, what if you can actually flow gratitude to them? And you just have to say flow. You don't have to really do something. You don't have to take them for a holiday. You don't have to really pamper them. You don't have to please them. You just have to flow energy to them, and it's that simple. So if wherever you think that you'll have to now do something, put your efforts there, and that's how people will get attracted to you. No, you just have to flow. So if there is a difference, then how do you work? What difference, Amishi? So if there is a difference, just keep flowing energy, whatever that person requires of you, and that will start changing the energy around it. Amishi, if you want to have a particular question, just ask me again. Usha, welcome. Priya, good morning. Hello. Hi, Priya. How sweetheart, Priya Jadwani. Also, hello. Good to see you. Been creating. Sarthur, can you give me some tool for business की जगह वो मुझे नहीं छोड़नी है, please? Is good. So, all right. Okay, so you have some place and you don't want to leave it. So it's like, ask that space. Does that space wants to be with you? And what can you be to have that space in your life? So talk to the space as you're talking to me. I know I might sound funny, but it is so easy that you can actually talk to the space. Does that space really wants you to be there? And if it does, then keep flowing energy to its landlords and stuff, and keep asking the place to contribute. And if not, then ask the place to show a more yummier place. And sometimes we get vested in the people in our lives or spaces in our lives, and then we move ahead and we know, no, that was a great choice. So keep asking the space. It's like honoring the space that you ask it, that would it like to have you in your, it's like having a partner in your life. Would you like to have that partner in your life? So would that space like to have you as your partner in its life? And if not, ask that space to contribute for a more yummier space. And be willing to lose, Sarthur, because if you're like really vested that the space should not go, it would go. So what else is possible here? Hi Pooja, welcome. Bombay Fox and what other joined. Welcome whoever is joining. Hello Mona darling. How are you? Bari जादू की जब भी घुमा दो, बस जादू की झड़ी घुमा दो. घुमाती Monica, ले जा. How to pull clients for your business. So pull is just a pull, and you have to be willing to be that vibration in your life, Simran. That ask your body to be that vibration. Who would be congruent with me? Who would you like to receive? And every and anybody who requires you to come and show up. It's like, actually pulling and being demanding that energy. Here I'm sitting here, consciousness, people, business, ask a business to contribute. Whosoever is looking and who requires you. But if you come under your business and your life doesn't work without your business, and you're making your business greater than you, then it won't work. You have to take a lioness seat, Simran. Be the lioness you truly be, and demand that whosoever requires me, and ask your business to contribute to that, for people to show up in your life. I had done some sessions in person, doesn't choose to pay, as he says there is no change. I just thought let it go, but my being says I'm not honoring myself. Interesting point of view. I have this point of view. Amishi, keep telling an interesting point of view. That person has this point of view, and if you keep repeating that, and then at the same time, are you willing to lose money? See, the guys, you have to be willing. You have to be the yin and yang energy, and you have to be the negative and the positive both, and you have to be willing to lose everything and willing to have everything. So when you're willing to leave it and not vested in it, and what else can I be? What is that person gifting you, Amishi? And at the same time, are you willing to be that killing energy that nobody takes my money away? And how and what can you receive from him or her? So whoever that person is. Hope that helps. Hi Parita, good morning. I'm giving up my judgment and point of view around it. Awesome. Hello Alka, good morning. So guys, it's, basically it's the whole energy of what you be, how you be, and are you willing to be that vibration, whatever you are vibrating at? What equation are you there in? Where are you in the equation, and how to be that energy and vibrating that energy that people are looking for? Say it's your business, like Simran's business. So it's like, are you vibrating at the level of your business? Are you inviting enough in the world, and are you willing to show up? So Amishi says, awesome. How to create business with joy? How? Just being joyful. So it's like, Sarthor, is that's your names. I'm just gonna say that unless you give me your name. So it's about, how you enjoy your work, like I do. I never knew it was my work. For me, facilitating, asking, and knowing and telling is a lot of fun. I can do, even when I'm sleeping, I can talk about it. So it's been the joy, because it's like, it doesn't sound like work to me. It's like any time, at any given point of time, any party, any space, I can just talk. And it was not now, I always could talk this. So this is like, for me, it's fun. When it's fun, then and somebody said, oh, is that your business? And I'm like, really? I didn't know I do business. I never thought I am into business and I can actually run business. And it was like, oh, if this is business, amazing. And how it is, Satur, is like when you wake up in the morning, you're already in the business. Do you even acknowledge that? If you're breathing, you're in business, because who is in business in this life is your body. Because your body is interacting, your body requires money, your body requires all the joy. But the being has to be joyful, and it has to look forward. Like, should not be like that school energy where you have to be, you really don't want to go to school. If you are being that energy to your business, how would your business get you money? But it's like, okay, looking forward to this morning, that, okay, what else can show up in my business? Who can I add to my business today? Who can I invite into my business today? Or who can I invite into my life? When you are happy and joyful within, your business will be created. If that business is not working, change it. Ask, and what can I change and be here? If you don't hate, only money is, and the business and everything is created from the space of joy. If you create it from the space of joy, you will never feel the lack of it. You will never feel the dearth of it, and you'll be just happy. And money always follows joy and money itself. So money attracts money. Hi Shivani, good morning. Thank you, Satur. Awesome. Hope it works for you. So Yogi Jeet and Varsha single request to be in a live video. No, I'm not taking in my live video. Just kidding, guys. So any other questions? So today, guys, keep flowing energy. Whoever you're missing, whoever you're liking. And it's so funny, if you actually flow the energies, that person might sense you. And somebody asked that question on the group, that if I think about the person, so is it that I'm inviting them into my life? Either you're inviting, and just ask the question. It's just that simple. Is that person remembering you, or you remembering that person? And it's like, I have always been, kind of connected with the world. All my friends, all my family. Like, if somebody just crosses my mind, I'm like, yeah, I'm sure other person is remembering me. So somebody's on my doorstep, I know that, and my body starts like, and I'll start knowing about that person. And then I'm like, I'm sure the person is around my proximity. So these are different signs that I keep playing with. And I totally, my body gives me information around it. My mind gives me information around it. If I'm thinking, ask, is it me, is it the other person? And it's okay, even if you're thinking about the other person, how does it get any better? And if the other person is thinking, say thank you and just send the gratitude his or her way. And that can be your clients. It can be like, for me, I send a thank you to each one of you each day and hope you guys receive it. So it's just that simple. You're not here to do. When I say that you're not here to do, is also not the energy that you keep sitting on a chair. You would not. Like, you're here to enjoy, experience life, touch, feel. Do that, but from the space of joy, not because you have to do it, just because you can and because it's fun for you. Hope that contributes. And also, we are starting from the 10th, the Interesting Point of View Challenge, where the call was yesterday. If nobody's heard it, it will be on the IGTV here. And it's about the interesting point of view energies, where everything you become a walking, talking meditation. Thanks for the gift. You are awesome. Thanks, Amishi. I mean, you all are gift to me. Business class karate ho, joy of business or other. Business class. No, I do joy of business. I am not a joy of business facilitator. It's so funny that that's the only thing I never chose to become the facilitator, which I guess I should be, but I think I am already one. So I don't have to have a tag for it, but I do my lot of money classes, Sathor. So Monday, if that contributes, you can always join them in. And what fun. So we're doing this interesting point of view challenge where everything becomes an interesting point of view. It's because our point of view creates your reality. If you're holding your point of view, your things, my whole life might go into it. And if you just give up your point of view, things might change in 10 minutes, in 10 seconds. And that is how you create magic. So this is a tool that we use it in Access, making everything interesting, and it makes us walking, talking, meditative state, which is like just joyful, just having no point of view, no irritation. And even if you're having irritation, then you're not bothered about it. So it'll not be on Insta, Vijay, it will be on the Facebook. There is a closed Facebook group that we are forming. The link is in the chat, or I think it's in the... Do visit the bio to join the Facebook group for 100 days of interesting point of view challenge. So that'll be the only thing there is that you have to, if you're joining the group, you have to put 10 things in the day that you actually made interesting point of view. You work the tool on 10 things in the day of, okay, this is an interesting point of view, and we will say, I will come on the day one, say you how to use the tool, let you know, and then you have to 10 days post that thing of like what in the whole day you made. If you don't want to commit to that, don't join the group, guys. It's a free group, but I do not want you guys to join if you cannot commit for like 10 minutes or 10 seconds to post your 10 things in the day of interesting point of view. Hindi is comfortable with me if any classes in Hindi. English is what I do. So, sab Hindi bhi bol lete hain, English bhi bol lete hain. So you can join anything, Sathor. You're welcome to join my any classes. All are Hindi, English, all mixed. So whenever it's comfortable, you can join and you can get in touch with my team. Monica, please add me there on that group. So the link is here. Shivangi is posting the link here, and it will be on in the bio as well. So if you guys want to, it starts 10th August. But remember, guys, I'm very strict. Like, I might be easy, but then I'm strict. I'm going to remove you guys if you guys are not going to post your 10 things that you made interesting point of view, because this is a commitment which I had been asking of myself, and I have never been able to do it more than half a day. So this what I play, I am happy to play with all of you, but then it should be fun for me too. I'm being selfish. So you can listen to the IGTV recording of Interesting Point of View. You want to join in, I'll be more than happy. And I will show on to that group on and off and talk about, I don't know, maybe I show up every day. And maybe I'll give you a notice of like 5-10 minutes where I'm going to be online. Otherwise, it'll be in the group. Please visit, Shivangi saying, Monica, please visit the link and join the group. Starts 10th August. Awesome. Great, guys. Thank you for joining in. And there are a lot of other classes and workshops which are coming in. And there are a lot of fun activities. I'm also coming with the addictions and entities and entity class, foundation class. A lot of talk. I think I have loads coming up. So please visit on this site, on the Insta or on the Facebook, and you can figure it out or get in touch with my team, and they will guide you if you really want to join in. Tanuja Shroff, welcome here to this space, Tanuja. time for me to go because I have a workshop starting now. And thank you all of you here to show up, and you can play with this tool. And big hugs to everyone, and thank you for showing up. Bye. See you tomorrow at 11:11 then. Bye. Thank you.